Best city in the world. This is the most important. Every year I came back.
Hai, hari ini kita sekeluarga mau ke acara Christmas lagi. Jadi acara Christmasnya ini tuh dari governmentnya Wellington. Namanya Christmas in the Quarters. Ini tuh yang terakhir, yang keempat. Jadi dia ada 4 kali. Setiap hari Sabtu dari tanggal berapa November gitu. Sampai ke hari ini. Yaitu 13 Desember. Nah, semuanya tuh free gitu, masuknya free, terus ada face paintingnya free. Yang kedua waktu itu temanya musik, terus yang ketiga temanya sirkus. Nah yang keempat ini kayak macam-macam gitu, ada santainya, terus ada ice skating, ada macam-macam gitu. Kalau yang pertama kemarin kita nggak sempat datang karena kita belum tahu gitu. Terus ya gitu, jadi semuanya free. Terus nanti sore ada premiernya Avatar. Kita kayak mau lihat gitu seheboh apa sih red carpetnya. Nanti kita lihat nanti kalau misalnya ramai banget nggak jadi, soalnya kita bawa anak-anak. Oke, ikutin ya.
Okay, I'll tell Violet. See ya.
Speak to someone.
Yeah, they'll come out about between 7 and 8 o'clock, something like
I heard the movies.
jatuh.
Yeah, he doesn't have an uncle that can come and wipe it out.
Anak-anak lagi di face painting lagi ketiga kalinya. Adriana sampai sana. Cheers. Kentang nugget. Dede kentang nugget.
Please put your hands, please. And I have to say, the cheering backstage.
Bisa itu berempat.
Tapi rambutnya
Barbie on the beach, Christmas on the beach. Pack your picnic and good old holiday. We don't wanna be stuck inside, and that's a fact. Christmas on the beach, Christmas on the beach. Pack your picnic and choo-choo, choo-choo, boogie. Take me right back to the track, Jack. So I whistle like a pig through the crack. I watch a train a-rolling with a ball and a jack. I'll have to hit a rhythm on the clickety-clacks. Feliz Navidad. Yee-haw! Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
You are Avatar fans, you are New Zealanders. I bet there's a bunch of tourists that have flocked down to this red carpet. Because you know what? No one does a premiere like Wellington does a premiere. This is the Aotearoa premiere of Avatar Fire and Ash. You know this is an all-star cast, Avatar. Sam Worthington, what a legend. He's an OG, so is Zoe Saldana, Sigourney Weaver and Stephen Lang, right from the get-go. And let's not forget our very own Cliff Curtis, Dwayne Evans Jr. and Jermaine Clement. And Spider is in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Jack Champion has made it all the way here from LA. I haven't seen him yet, James. Have you seen him? Jack, raise your hand, my bro. I know you're here somewhere. Probably been mobbed by the fans. So, now the world gets to experience their brand new Avatar story and all its magical sensory glory, ladies and gentlemen. James KIMI! How are you feeling?
Good. I'm super excited. excited with the turnout today.
It's not that many.
Look at, I mean, there's nobody else. The rest of the city's a ghost town right now.
And so they should be.
Thank you, Wellington. Best city in the world.
I mean, look at the number of people who are lining the street. Isn't it amazing?
I think half of you worked on the film. We had 3,800 people in the credits. That's why the credits are like 2 hours. Yeah. So the film itself's only an hour.
But it's a really good hour, isn't it? It is sensational.
In this film, we go beyond with the characters into a much more emotional state. People are telling me that they're crying multiple times during the movie, so it's really hitting people in the heart, which is also what we tried to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, James Cameron!
Lỏ á, đừng ăn không có vừa.
But you've been touring with the film for a while.
We've been to a lot, but I think this is the most important.
Oh, did you hear that? But Wellington is the most important.
It's in the DNA of these movies, so it's, you know, we're incredibly gracious to be able to film here. We're extremely humbled for this kind of thing. Hopefully we're just not blocking the traffic, and hopefully we're not blocking people from going shopping. But it's seriously, this is quite something, and we've always been welcomed to film our movie here.
Sam's going after the after party for a little bit of football. I know the business end of this is such a public affair, but the making of this. Sam Wellington!
For me, it doesn't come naturally, so I had to act it.
Look at the hundreds of people.
Oh, it's
what
beautiful.
can they expect from Fire and Ash? A little hint, no spoilers. What can I expect from Fire and Ash?
A lot. It's big. It's like really, really big.
How's it been going? You've been chatting to the fans?
I've been trying to say hi to everyone. I'm sorry if I couldn't say hi to you. It's been
You didn't say hello to every single person here.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. You gave it your best shot though, I bet.
I gave it my best shot, well, being rushed, but I love every single one of you. Thank you for coming out. I lived here for like 2.5 years. Wellington really is like a second home to me, and just everyone that came out, it means a lot to me, so thank you.
Listen to that. Stop it. You're amazing. This journey for you must then feel really personal. How many years have you committed to the making of these films?
Like 4?
Yeah.
Plus, I mean, after 2020, like every year I came back to do a little something, so it's just been like a continuous thing for me.